Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some Cajun jerk chicken. So that's my chicken right there, a whole chicken. So guys, it's already washed, it's clean. These are all of my seasoning. I've got Cajun seasoning, I've got parsley, I've got peri peri seasoning, I've got all-purpose seasoning, I've got everyday seasoning, I have smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, jerk seasoning, and chicken seasoning. And it's 1 teaspoon, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some vegetable oil to my chicken. I'm gonna add at least 2 spoons just for it to be moist. Then you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna rub it all in. And guys, as you can see, I cut my chicken right there. It is totally optional, but I do it this way, okay? And the reason why I cut it, because I want my seasoning to get all inside. So that's one of the reasons. So now I'm gonna season my chicken. And guys, I'm gonna add some Cajun seasoning. And I'm also gonna add some jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add those 2 seasoning first because it is Cajun jerk chicken. Yeah. So guys, I add at least 1 spoon, okay? So after adding your seasoning, now you're just gonna take your hands, or you can always use a gloves, and you're just gonna massage your chicken and just massage all that seasoning right in your chicken. So after adding my Cajun seasoning and my jerk seasoning, now I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of the wet jerk seasoning that's from the bottle. So after adding it, you just want to rub it all in, okay? Just make sure everything is all in the center and all around your chicken because you want it to be nice and full of flavor. So after I add my wet jerk seasoning, now I'm gonna add my powder seasoning. And guys, just make sure you blend it all together so everything will all combine. Guys, I don't normally use salt on my meat or on my chicken because the seasoning already full of so much salt, so I try to cut down on the salt. I know you guys may be thinking, oh, that's a lot of seasoning, but I'm not gonna use all of the seasoning on my chicken. I'm gonna use some of my seasoning for my sauce. Yeah. So after blending my seasoning, now I'm just gonna take my hand and just sprinkle it right inside of my chicken that I cut right in the center because you want it to go all in, guys, because come on, you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. So make sure you season your chicken properly. You can turn it over on another side and season that part also. And don't be scared to take your hand and just rub all that seasoning right on your chicken, okay? So my chicken is all seasoning. As you can see, guys, it is well seasoning. And that's exactly all I want it. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour. And guys, that's the amount of seasoning that I have left to make my sauce. Okay, so stay tuned. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Guys, make sure your oil is hot. And I'm gonna fry my chicken, guys, for at least 8 to 10 minutes on each side, okay? So here I am adding my chicken right now. So just take your time and just add it to your pot because you don't want the oil to splash on you. So now I'm just gonna turn my chicken. Just make sure you just take your time and just turn it. Honestly, guys, I was so struggling to turn my chicken. It was a bit hard, but thank God I did it. And guys, look at that. It looks so golden and so brown. That's exactly how I want it to be. And you want to take one of those things that I have. I don't know what it's called. And you want to just press it down, okay? Because you want your chicken to fry evenly. So just press it down. So I'm just gonna flip my chicken back over. So both of the side of my chicken is browned. So now I'm just gonna remove it and I'm gonna make my sauce, okay? So that's my chicken right there. I put it on the side while I'm gonna make my sauce. So for my sauce, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of ketchup and 4 spoonful of barbecue honey sauce and 3 spoonful of brown sugar. So to my pot, I add at least 1 spoon of vegetable oil, and now I'm gonna add some chopped onion, 1 chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And guys, just make sure your stove is on a medium heat. Then you want to give it a stir and just leave it for at least a minute or so to saute. So after 1 minute, now you're gonna add 1½ cup of warm water. So after I add my water, now I'm gonna add all of my seasoning. That's my remaining seasoning that's left. Then I'm gonna add at least 3 spoonfuls of dark soya sauce, okay? Now I'm gonna add my ketchup, and I'm also gonna add my barbecue honey sauce and my sugar. Then you want to just give it a stir, guys. Just make sure everything is all combined together, and you can always taste to your liking. If it need any salt or any more seasoning, you can always add, okay? I'm gonna add 1 spoon of the jerk wet seasoning from the bottle, and I'm gonna also add at least 1 spoon of Cajun seasoning, okay? Then you want to give it a stir. So now I'm gonna add my chicken to my pot, and guys, I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least 30 minutes just for now. And guys, make sure your stove is on a medium heat, and I'm gonna also cover my pot. Then you're just gonna take your spoon and just pour all that gravy right on your chicken so it is nice and juicy and moist. Guys, it looks so good already, trust me, and it smells amazing. So that's what it look like after 30 minutes. And guys, it's not yet finished. I'm gonna allow it to cook for another 30 minutes. You want to just pour all that sauce right on your chicken. Guys, it looks so good. I'm telling you, it look absolutely delicious. So my Cajun jerk chicken is all finished, and that's what it look like. Guys, this recipe is a must try. Please share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, please give me a big thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious videos like these. And guys, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you can receive more videos from me, okay? So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. And of course, I'm gonna serve my chicken with some mashed potato and some green beans. Yeah, you can serve it with rice, you know, salad, whatever you preferred. Add in some gravy on top. And guys, thank you all so much for watching my video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed.